Hey, you guys. I know it's been a minute, but finally got everything situated. So I have another transformation here for you guys. It's like a mommy makeover. And right now I'm pretty much just moisturizing and I think I use the Pond's moisturizer for normal skin. And right here I'm just gonna go ahead and do her brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Pro palette, I believe it's called, and I go in with medium brown, and I pretty much use this just to fill in her brows and whatnot, and yeah, just kind of outlining it in the bottom. Since I did get a lot of feedback on transformation videos on clients, I was just like, you know what, let's keep them coming. Let's give you guys more, show you guys, you know, a different aspect of how I do makeup rather than just showing you guys on myself. Why not show you guys on other people as well? So yeah, pretty much just filling in her brows. And when it comes to doing brows on clients, I never like to go overboard. I really just follow the shape of their natural brow, and I fill in any sparse areas that they have and keep it very nice, simple, and clean. I really don't go overboard at all, because you never want to have your client, you know, looking crazy, if you get what I mean. So that's pretty much it right here. Alright, so as you guys saw, I cleaned up her brows with the NYX, I think it's Total Coverage Concealer. I just use that to clean up her brows. And then right here, I am priming her eyelids, and I'm using the Other Girl Pro HD Primer. And I'm using the shade Nude, and I'm just taking a brush to pretty much blend it out. And then I do go in and set it with a eyeshadow. I use Makeup Geek Beaches and Cream. I use that to set the whole lid, just so it's very easy to blend out the other shadows that I'm definitely going to be using. For her eye look, I used the Juvia's Place Saharan palette along with a few Makeup Geek shadows. So right here I'm using Beaches and Cream. I also used, I believe it's Cocoa Bear. I used that one as well. And then I used some shades from the Saharan palette. I'll have all the shades that I did use from the Saharan palette along with the other shadows down below in the description bar. If you guys want to just, you know, recap on what I used, all of that information, I will have it listed down below. So make sure you guys check the description box for any information on products that I used. So right here, I'm just going in with the first transition shade and blending that out. And then as time goes on, I continue to use different colors. So right now I'm using a very light warm brown in the transition shade, and then I'll go in with something that's a little darker, and then, you know, we just keep on going. I'm not gonna really talk too much. I just really want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing, and it is time lapse, but I did like leave the very important parts. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I will come back when there is something important for me to say. I'll be back, you guys. Okay, so I wanted to say something very quickly. Um, as you guys see, my client has a lot of lid space, like a lot. She doesn't have a very defined crease, so obviously we go ahead and mimic that. If you're not sure how to find someone's crease, the best way is lifting up their brow area just very slightly, and you can see the indentation, and that is where the crease is. Now, as I was saying, my client has a lot of lid space. You want to always take advantage of that when a client has a lot of lid space. Don't ever think that just because they have a lot of lid space, you can only, you know, put the eyeshadow, the main color of the eyeshadow, just like to a certain extent. No, you can cover the entire eyelid. Like, definitely take advantage. And if you guys see here, being that she does have big eyelids, I am deepening the outer corners to bring in that depth into her eye makeup, because obviously the transition shade and whatever I put in the crease is there, but because again she has big eyelids, sometimes it does get lost a little bit. So applying a darker shade in the outer V and slightly also bringing it into where the crease area is, it definitely does bring in some of that definition back into the eyes. And right here I'm not doing much of liner, like I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I'm just lining her lash line so that the lashes blend in and you don't see, you know, the lash band or anything like that. Alright, so I'm just priming her face right now, and then I'm gonna go in with color matching her foundation. So I haven't done her makeup in quite some time, and she is a lot lighter now than what she usually is in the summer. In the summer she does tan a lot. So what I did was I went and took my Morphe foundation palette. I believe I used the 9W, if I'm not mistaken, which has a lot of the warmer shades. And I'm pretty much just mixed foundations, like the mixed colors, to get her perfect shade. So I finally found her perfect shade, and I'm really just stippling this all over her face. And she does have some discoloration, like her forehead area. It is a little darker. You can see like where her cheekbones is, where the contour is. She has a natural shadow. So just right now I'm gonna just do an all even base, and then I will bring that depth back into her skin. And the way I like to blend out the foundation for my clients, I don't just pounce the beauty blender onto the face. I also roll. That way any pores that they may have, the product actually will kind of seep into the pores in a way. Not necessarily like clogging them, but it will blend in better into the pores, whereas you're not seeing it. Like, it's not going to sit directly on top and make it like very visible. It will definitely blend in a lot better. So you guys see, I gave her an even base in the beginning, and now I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and I believe this one is in mocha, and I'm just putting that everywhere just to give her some definition, bring that warmth back into her face. And I use just a smaller brush just to contour her nose a bit. I didn't go extreme. When I am doing transformations, even if it's just like giving a client a really nice beat. I don't ever go overboard with the makeup. I like to enhance my client's beauty. I never ever like to make them look completely different. That's not what I do makeup for. I don't do makeup to transform someone's look, like make them look completely different. We're not catfishing anybody, okay? Definitely not gonna be catfishing. I just enhance the beauty that they already have. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And I'm just blending. Blending is always key, you guys. Like literally key. I sound like crap. I hope I'm not getting sick. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. Just one thing, when I did her lips, when I went to line her lips, to make sure you always get like an even application when doing lips, whether it's the liner or the lipstick. The best way to get an even application is by pulling the lip down like ever so slightly. That way you can glide that lip pencil on or glide that lip brush on, and it'll be completely like seamless. Like it'll be so perfect. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe as well. I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot of transformation videos on my channel because you guys like the first one that I did. And you guys, it's 2018. I'm not playing no more. I'm gonna have tons and tons of creative content. I'm gonna be doing a few collaborations as well with some new YouTubers that I've actually met through Facebook. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. You're not gonna miss what's gonna come this year, guarantee you. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for clicking, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.